I have an idea today. You must be wondering what it is. I thought I will do a pudding for you. You like no pudding? You like my cakes, my puddings, my savories, and even my rice you like, isn't it? So we will do a pudding and show you. So just watch how I am going to do the pudding. You know what pudding I am going to do? Summer Jelly Delight. So we will see how it is done and what I am going to do first. First I am going to do a cake. That is sponge cake. So we will see how the sponge cake is done. 2 egg whites I have taken. I have taken 2 egg whites, and what I will do is beat the 2 egg whites first. Sponge cake with 2 eggs. So please remember how it is done. 3 grams sugar, little by little. I have done 60 grams sugar. 2 egg whites we put. Now I have to use the yolks, 2 egg yolks. Kept aside. Now I am using. Now you can see this, right? Actually, to tell you the truth, we have to use the eggs. The sponge cake. When making sponge cake, you have to do this way only. That is, egg whites beaten stiff. Then you add the sugar and beat. Then you put the yolks and beat. Then, of course, the balanced ingredients. Flour. How much? 60 grams. 60 grams flour. And I need half a teaspoon baking powder. Salt we have taken together. Mix it nicely. Add a little lime juice to get rid of the egg smell and a little vanilla essence. Cream it, beat it once more. How the sponge cake is done. There is no butter in this, so the sponge cake is done. A sponge tray, but oil paper, butter it, and you put the mixture and bake it. Now baking time will be only 20 minutes. Small cake, 7-inch tray, but a small quantity. Now what we will do is, we are going to bake this. This is the cake that I have done. We will bake it. Sponge cake. Quickly we will bake and take it. We are going to bake that. 180 centigrade, 360 Fahrenheit, 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes you bake and take it. This is the sponge cake that I have done. When I say sponge cake, I am sure you know I said 2 eggs quantity. For 2 eggs, for 1 egg, 30 grams sugar and flour. So 2 eggs, 60 grams sugar and flour I have taken. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon, that's all. And you saw how I made the cake. Beat the egg whites first, then add the sugar, then you put the yolks, then you add the flour with baking powder and salt, and we put lime because to get rid of the egg smell. There is butter in it, there is no butter in it, so we have to use a little lime juice and vanilla essence. A little more even doesn't matter because you will get the egg smell otherwise. Make the sponge cake, keep it ready to make this summer jelly delight. I gave you a clear picture of sponge cake, how to make with 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, whatever quantity you want. I gave you with 1 egg how we it has to be taken. That is 1 egg means 30 grams sugar, 30 grams flour. Please remember. Then sometimes we get sponge cake with 5 eggs, sponge cake with 4 eggs. Then you should have to calculate and take it so that you will know how it is. Now the sponge cake I have already made and I'm breaking it into pieces. If you don't want to make with sponge cake, you can use the biscuit. Without cream, you can use the biscuit, but I'm using the sponge cake. Put it into this bowl. Along with that, I have some nice fruits for you. Cashew nuts, sultanas, raisins, cherries, all that I have put into this. And dessert spoon, tablespoon. So I'm using a tablespoon and taking condensed milk, mix it nicely. Mix very well, nicely you mix it. Right, that's done. Now what we are going to do is we need water also. Take 2 cups of water. I'll take a little more and keep it, save another half a cup to dilute. Okay, and then I'll take the corn flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dessert spoons I have taken. How many spoons? 5 dessert spoons. Mix it nicely. And add it. Okay. 1, it's a dessert spoon, huh? 2, 3, 4 dessert spoons of condensed milk I have taken. I need a little sugar. Already I have put condensed milk and a little bit of now sugar we will use, 60 grams sugar, 60 grams of sugar. That also I put. Then I need gelatin. Roughly 2 teaspoons of gelatin. That also we put. Mix it nicely. Now we make the custard. Mix it nicely. Something different we are doing here, so you can see how it is coming. I need about 30 grams of butter also. We need butter, 30 grams, right? Cook till it gets thicker. Till it gets thicker. Once you off the cooker, now you add the strawberry jelly. I have off the cooker, right? Sorry. I can take it out, nicely mix it. See, mix it nicely. Now we can see what we are going to do for this. Put all this back and we will start mixing it. If you want, you can use 2 egg whites stiffly beaten or whipping cream. I thought I will use the whipping cream into this, so we will see. Cool a little, and I like to use a little strawberry essence also. See how it looks now. And we have to use, if you want, whipping cream. Not so much. Use cup of whipping cream. Cool and add jelly. You have to use while it is hot itself. I have got this mixture. Now we will pour it over. We will straight away do it and finish it off. I need some fruits here. Actually, we have to wait at least for half an hour before we do this. A few mango pieces for decoration. This is the summer delight which I have done for you, and what we will do is we will keep this in the fridge. I have told you this type of pudding you can serve anytime, but after dinner is more suitable. After dinner and then tea time also you can serve. You can have this pudding for today, tomorrow, keep it and use even after 2 or 3 days. Cover and keep if you are keeping in the fridge. If you are going to keep in the fridge, always puddings have to be covered and kept. And then use even after 2 or 3 or 4 days even, no problem at all. Serve it and see and how it looks. And I have already told you, please tell your friends to subscribe and press the bell icon so that they will also enjoy all my recipes that I am doing for you. For the last 5-6 years I am doing. So all those recipes you can watch over and over again, and you can benefit by watching, and you can prepare. You don't have to go out and have a meal. You can prepare at home and have a nice meal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy. Bye from me now.